Actually, I want to learn English. I want to be perfect in English, but I don't know how to learn English, how to start speaking English. I don't know. I don't know how to start speaking English. Every learner have a question how to learn English, how to start speaking English. All the times I learned grammar portion, but having said that, I couldn't learn English very well. So please let me know how to start speaking English, how to learn English. All the times I have confusion because I want to be perfect, I want to be fluent, but I couldn't speak English well, I couldn't understand very well. So please let me know. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video, I am going to share with you. Today in my video, I am going to tell you how to start speaking English, how to learn English. In the beginning, when we start learning English, so that times I don't know how to start speaking English and how to learn English. So in the video, I am going to share with you how to start and how to learn. What before starting the video, I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually, your comment and your like is very important for me. I told my previous video because your comment and your like is very important for me. So please do the comment and do the like. So without wasting the time, let's come back to point. So as I am saying that how to improve our communication skill, because I have one step. All as usual, I use that step, so that's why I am telling to you. Okay, when you start learning English, so that time you should listen. Actually, listening power is very important. Listening can help improve your speaking English, so that's why I am telling to you, listening power is very important. Although it's first of all skill, listening power is very important. And today in my video, I am going to tell you how to listen, how to start listening. Actually, when you are alone at your home, so that time you watch English video carefully, because there are so many video are available on YouTube, and then you start and you can watch English video with the help of earphone, because earphone is very important for listening. While listening, you can speak English very well. Definitely, I am very sure because I have experience, so that's why I am telling to you. Okay, and sometimes you should avoid the Hindi video. Okay, I am not telling to you only avoid. No, not at all. Until you can speak English well. You can speak English well and watch English video only. Avoid the Hindi video. When you are starting improving your communication skills, so that's why I am telling to you. Okay, avoid the Hindi video and focus on your listening power in English. And you when you start listening with the help of subtitle in the beginning, and gradually you can start listening without subtitle. Actually, in the beginning when we start listening, so that times I can't understand very well. I know, because I have experiences, so that's why I am telling to you. And carefully, only carefully, seriously, seriously, English language listening power is very amazing. And you learn a lot while listening. Without listening, you can't imagination. I have some example, and that example is very important, and every person knows very well that example. As a child, okay, child actually a child want to learn his native language, but they don't know how to start, because even they don't know any vocab, any grammar. Having said that, start speaking his native language. Child observes every person he's around, because they who speak his native language, and child carefully watch and Actually, child observes and consuming every person who speak his native language. So that's how child start speaking his native language. I think this example is very important for us. Even I learned Hindi something like this, so that's why I am telling to you. When you start listening, you when you start speaking Hindi, so that time you didn't know any vocab, any grammar. So having said that, you spoke very well in Hindi. I think this example is very good for improving English. While listening, you can learn every language who want to learn. So that's why I am telling to you, because this way, even I am using this way, because when I started learning English, so that times only watch English video, but I couldn't understand very well. So slowly, gradually I kept watching English video, and then I started understanding. Even after that, I started speaking. So that somehow I started speaking English, because according to me, this step is very good for improving English. Watch, only watch English video. Okay, I am not telling to you don't avoid Hindi, not at all. Okay, until you can speak English well, watch only English video. And after that, second step for improving English, practice. Okay, practice is very important. Without practice we can't speak English. When you understand very well English, so after that you can start speak more much you can. So I think this is a very good for improving English. Even I am having the struggle for improving English. I told my previous video, because I am not perfect. I am having the practice with you. I am having the struggle. So I think this way is very good for me. And another thing, this I think this problem is very big for improving English. This is a not that big problem, but according to me, actually it is very big. When you start, I think it's rocket science. According to me, it's rocket science. Actually, when you start speaking English, so all the times I think something like this, because I tried to speak English, but I think they you know he make the fun, because definitely I am making the wrong. So that's why they people are laughing at me. I think this is a very big problem. Please avoid this problem and out from your mind. And this problem is very vague, cause of which you can't speak English. Only try to speak English, and when you are free at your home, you watch English video and then you speak with yourself. I think if you don't have any partner, so it's okay, don't worry. This is a not important. If you don't have any partner, I think you can start with yourself, and you can create environment yourself. Actually, I don't have any environment. Even I am speaking, but I'm not that good. I'm not myself. I am not praising myself. So I think I'm not good. I am struggling for improving English. So I think this way is very good, and listening power is very important. So please avoid the people's only try to speak English, because people have to say work to say anything. Only try to speak English. Actually, your aim your aim is speaking English good. You have aim because you want to be perfect in English, so please avoid the anything, only try to speak English. And please let me know whether I am good or not, because I am struggling improving English, so that's why I am telling to you again and again. Please avoid the anything, because I am facing this problem. Only try, only focus on improving English. And first step, listening power is very important. Without listening you can't speak English, you can't understand very well English. When you don't know understand very well, how will you speak English? So I think listening power, please listen properly, pay attention, listen, pay attention. So I think uh, please avoid this thing, only try to speak English. And in the end, I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video, because I am, once again I am saying, so please do the comment and do the like. I am good or not, please, your comment is very important for me. So I told my previous video, I am saying again and again and again, so please. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.